Hello guys, I have not entered any trade on this. Okay, so I'll be using this as an example. You can see it has met our conditions, so you can see I'm entering these trades before your face, okay, so that you'll be able to see exactly what I was talking of. Okay, so and even if there is a spike against us, the spike will not be that long, and it won't be that difficult for us to recover. So guys, you can see, is it up to 10, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9? Don't follow my strategy, please, as in don't follow the way I'm trading. And you can see my lot size is big. Okay, so what we'll be looking at now is we have confirmation here. Okay, that's first one which has been met. Then we have another confirmation here which has been met. Then we have another confirmation here which has been met. Okay guys, so that's it. That's 1, 2, 3. And also we have the fourth one. And let me show you. The fourth one is this moving average. Okay, so it's telling us that probably this will come straight down to I'm not anticipating too much. I'm not expecting like too much from the market. Okay, so let me just say it will come down to around this point here. Then when it gets to around this point, guys, I'm cool, I'm good, and I'm okay. Excuse me. So that's just the 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, like 5 conditions that has been met. So guys, I will have to pause this video now, and later I will just come back and show you the results. So guys, you can see it's going and it's respecting you see, so it's no magic. I'm not scared of the spike now. Okay, it's no magic, it's no magic. Excuse me. So I've tried to do part 3. I'll take this as the part 3 of the video. Okay, you can see it's respecting us, though this is not a naked trading. Okay, an indicator has made some people lazy. Indicator has made some people lazy. Don't ever be a lazy trader when it comes to technical analysis, and there are also some strategy, some scope you can apply when you are trading fundamentals. So we've not gotten to that area, so we're just dealing with the little we have here. Somebody asked that, can we open a lot? Why not? You can open a lot of position, but you just have to check your account if your account can carry it. If the spike go against you, then how much will one spike take away from your account? And as you can see, I'm opening a lot of positions. Okay, I'm opening a lot of positions, so I can decide to exit the market now. You can see it's coming down to meet this. Okay, it's coming down to meet this, and when it gets to this moving average, there will be a mighty spike, as in it will be longer than this. So I think I should run now. Let me check some other accounts. Let me pause this video. This account is over $5,000. Let me check another account. And so guys, I don't want to be greedy. Let me just take my profit. I think this is cool, or maybe I should wait till I get like $10, making 100. I'm thinking. All right, let me leave it till I get to $10. $10 each. So guys, don't forget, in the first part of this video I have given you the setup, and I think with this you should be fine. This is the part 3, just to show you exactly when I enter the trade. Okay, just to show you the exact time that I took the trade, which I have done. And I think everything that I've explained is self-explanatory, guys. So we'll get to $9 now. So let me wait a bit. God, don't let spike happen. No, 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 no. So guys, you can see we are fine, we are cool, but I am waiting for when this trade the trend will change. So I'm patiently waiting for that. The trend will change so that I will even have like a rest of mind, like an hour or even more, so that I can leave my trade. So guys, when it gets to $10, I'll have to close them. I'll have to close them, all of them. I'll have to close them, guys. I'll have to close them. So let's see what's happening on some other let's see. Okay, we zoom to the second level. Don't forget that. Then I think it's time to sell on this, but I'll wait. Let me finish dealing with one first, then I'll go for another. Let's check was another time to sell again. Crash 500. I think I should be having like $10 now. 10. I close you by 10. 10 gone. Another 10 gone. Guys, you can see it's as simple as this. Another 10 gone. No magic, guys. Another 10. Let me be faster. I'm also scared of spike. So give me 10. Boom. Another 10. Even if the spike happens now, you can see I'm closing my positions. Another 10. Please, don't do as I do. Please just follow what's cool and what's better for you. Okay. So guys, you can see, check the date today. So the channel is not about showing results. I can see some comments. Guys, just try and subscribe to the channel, please. Please. You can see we are not up to 200 yet, so I just want you to share and subscribe to the channel. So God bless you for helping me and supporting your boy. All right, guys, stay blessed and have a wonderful Christmas. Bye.